Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about how to locate any affiliate program of any brand. So before we start, we have to understand why we are learning it and what's the purpose of it. And if you're watching this video, this probably means that you're already aware of what is affiliate marketing, what are affiliate networks, and what are affiliate program. So we know that we have when we have to apply to any affiliate program, sometimes we have to join affiliate networks and we have to search through those different affiliate networks that we are part of to find brand. But what if we don't find it? That's where problems start. So we then start exploring different programs, different networks, just to find the affiliate program of the brand we are looking for. And then we struggle, and at the end we don't find it. So this video is just to clear it out that how we can, what are the effective way to search for the affiliate program of any brand. And I have divided this into three steps. One is you have to search, then you have to locate, and then you have to apply. It's pretty simple: search, locate, and apply. So when it comes to locating an affiliate program, there are two ways that you can find the affiliate program. One is you directly go to the website. So that's the first way that I'm trying to demonstrate here. For that, you should be aware of the name of the brand. So for now we will just take Amazon. So when I search for Amazon on Google search, you could also use any search engine. It doesn't matter. But basically on search engine, just mention the name of the brand, and you'll see their website. Most of the time, sometimes you may not see their website in the first result, but almost all the time you'll see it. Then you can go to their website. Now, on the website, there will be many sections, and it will be easy to be lost in any of these sections. That's why on the website you have to go to the very end of the website to the footer section. Now you see, and you might be familiar with it, like many websites you go to, at the end there will be a section with some dark color in the background, and it will have many quick links. And in one of these links, you have to search for something that says join publisher program, affiliate program, any mention of affiliate or publisher per se. So do we see something in here? Well, it's here, become an affiliate. So this, whatever we did here so far was a search, and we were able to locate something in here. Let's click on it. When we do, it will take us to the dedicated page. Now this is a dedicated page on the for the Amazon affiliate program. This is how we were able to locate it, and that's where the third part comes into picture. Again, we can read all this stuff about the affiliate program, how exactly it works if you want, but then how to apply. You'll generally see a button like sign up, join, something like that. So when you click on sign up, you'll be taken to either to a registration form of any affiliate networks out there, or sometimes it'll be a login or sign up page like this. When we say for Amazon, when it comes to Amazon, they're big brand, they manage their own affiliate programs, they have their own platform for it. They're kind of not affiliated with the affiliate networks out there. But for the other companies, you'll generally be taken to a registration page of that specific affiliate network. If you already have an account with them, you simply just log in and search for the program over there and apply. But if you don't, you can create just fill in registration form and have an account with them. But we'll talk then a bit later on. So here we learn how to search for the Amazon website. We went there, we from the footer section, we located a page dedicated to affiliate program. We went there and we click on sign up, which took us here. We can fill the information in here and we will be part of Amazon affiliate program. So that was the first way of finding it. Then what's the second way? The second way is, again, it involves search engines. Doesn't matter. If you're using Google search, go with it. Otherwise, Bing or Yahoo, doesn't matter. Now, in here, first, you should be aware of the websites of the brand. That's very important because sometimes there will be brands with similar name. So in this case, we are talking about, we will take an example of Udemy. So if I search for Udemy on Google search, and the reason I'm doing it so that I can see their website. So I should be aware of the website. Now I see udemy.com, and then there would be some more results as well, but I'm not concerned about them. We just be aware of what their website is. Once, and if you're already aware of the website, then we simply on the Google search write in the name of the brand followed by affiliate, followed by the phrase affiliate program. And when we search it, in the search result, we will see some results out there. And most of the time, you will see the very first search result, which implies that it should be a page for the affiliate program of this specific brand. So if you click here, you can see Udemy affiliate program, become an affiliate. So when I click here, it will take me to a dedicated page to join the affiliate program of Udemy. Now in here, we can read all about the affiliate program. And if you want to join, we can simply click on join now. But observe here, they say Udemy affiliate program is run on Linkshare and other networks. So Linkshare, it's now called Rakuten Advertising. So that means they will basically take you to a third party, or rather third party affiliate networks. You are to fill the form over there. So let's click here, join now. And in here on the registration page, we can fill this information. It's powered by Rakuten Advertising. And then we can click on sign me up. It will take us to a platform on Rakuten Advertising for publisher. We can simply apply the affiliate program of Udemy from there once we have successfully created an account with Rakuten Advertising using these forms. So in the second option that we have, what we did, we Google searched the brand name followed by affiliate program, and then from the search result, we click on a related. We think the web page is related to the same brand and probably talking about the affiliate program. We went there and we simply click on any action button over there. So that was the second way of finding it. Now there will be with this option that we just see, we were lucky to see Udemy affiliate program in the first result. Sometimes you might have to explore a few results down just to see, just to get to a dedicated page for the affiliate program of that brand. Other thing we have to consider is, what if you tried the first way and you tried the second way? You went to the website directly, you don't find anything, but then you might want to try the second way. Why? Because sometimes some brands kind of hide this affiliate programs from their general consumers. So that's why to find it is always better to Google search. What if you tried the first way and the second way and nothing worked? In that case, it's highly likely that the brand might not even have an active affiliate program. But in any case, you have an option to go to their website, search for the contact information, reach out to them and ask about it. That's the least and the last resort that you should go to. Otherwise, you will be able to find the affiliate program using any of these ways. So that was the purpose of this video, is to share this knowledge, and I hope this will help you. If you have any question about what is affiliate marketing and how to start with it, I have created a video on it. I'll be mentioning the link in the description. You can watch it. If you want to know the top affiliate networks out there, there will be a link to that video as well. You can watch it. For any other questions you might have on this or affiliate networks as a whole, doesn't matter, any question related to affiliate network or affiliate marketing, basically, just write it in the comment section and I would be happy to answer that. Until then, have a great day today, and I wish you luck in your journey to affiliate marketing. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you would be notified of any such video that I create. Thanks for watching.